Hey there, God bless you. I'm Karine. Welcome to the supportive environment. And so here I am starting my morning. I usually start my morning with tea or coffee. Lately, I've been leaning more towards making tea and drinking tea, but I still drink my coffee sometimes, or I then drink it later on in the day. Once I make my coffee or tea, what I do next is I read my Bible. I love to start the mornings very early because I have that time for me before the kiddos wake up. I have that time to spend with God alone. I pray, I read my Bible while I enjoy my tea or my coffee. And in here, as you can see, I still have the Christmas tree. Yes, we have to remove that one. I am planning to do it tomorrow. But yes, we'll still have the Christmas tree. And in this case, it's also serving as sort of a lamp, because as you can see here, I did not have too much light. So the Christmas lights were serving as part of my lamp while I was reading the Bible here. Okay, and so once I read my Bible, then it's all about business. Here I am decluttering our table. So our table is our hub, our central system for everything. Right now it is serving as my desk, as our homeschool main area, although we use the living room a lot also for the read alouds, and for everything else. So now once the table was decluttered, the next thing that I like to do is, if I haven't done my planning the night before, then I go over what we have to do on the day of. And then I proceed here to the kitchen. Now, every day is not the same. This is one particular day. This is how things happen. I am working on seeing which routine works best for us. But the truth is that some days I do wake up much earlier than others. And it just depends on different variables. I am also working on getting the kids to go to bed. I'm working on their bedtime routine so that they can also go to sleep earlier, because then if they go to sleep earlier, I'll be going to sleep earlier and I'll be able to wake up earlier. Okay, and here Isaac, actually, he said that he wanted to help me in the kitchen while I was washing the dishes. And so I had him wash his own bowl. This is him in training here, training to wash his own bowl. And he has a red spoon, but Zoe, I should say, because he no longer has it. Zoe broke it. So he then proceeded to wash Zoe's spoon. So he washed his bowl and Zoe's spoon. And that's all I had him practice at the moment. I will continue to have him practice washing small items like that so that he gets used to it and comfortable. And it was actually a good practice for him. When you are teaching someone else to do something, you realize that any skills initially, they take time. And so we just have to be patient. So he did very well in this occasion, and then I'll have him practice more down the line. But he was pretty excited and very happy that he washed his bowl and the spoon. And of course, as you can see, Zoe is there with us. She wanted to participate as well. So she's right next to Isaac, and she really wants to be part of the washing dishes process. Okay, so Isaac finished washing his bowl and the spoon. Zoe is having fun while I'm dragging her
in a chair.
On the chair, like Isaac said. And then I come back to the kitchen, to the sink area, and continue washing the rest of the dishes. Now, as I had mentioned before, I start my morning presenting the day to God, reading the Bible. This is essential for me. This is super, super important. I have to present my day to God. There is so much that I want to accomplish in a day. And I don't get to accomplish all the things that I write on my list. I don't get to do that. And I am presenting my day to God every day to help me be content where I am right now, as well as to continue to help me to get better in all the areas that I need to get better. So this is for me to embrace what I'm doing, for as trivial as it may seem, or for as little as it may seem, to enjoy doing the day-to-day things, to enjoy cleaning my house, making a beautiful space for my family to have a clean, organized kitchen where I feel inspired to cook healthy meals for my family and for me. So this is not about seeking perfectionism, although each day I do seek to get better and to be better. This is about embracing having a beautiful space, doing the day-to-day chores with a happy and content heart, and asking God to give me the wisdom, the discipline that I need for each day, to help me to continue be efficient, effective on all the areas that I need to. And present everything to Him, everything that I do. This is what it's about. So Isaac and Zoe were pretty excited to help me in the kitchen. And honestly, I enjoy that. I was very happy that Isaac took the initiative to ask me to help in the kitchen. Also, at the beginning, I believe at the beginning of the video, he was helping me to delete some emails on the computer. I showed him how to do it, and he was helping me with that as well. So then once he helped me, he went on to the kitchen, to the living room to play with his Legos, while I continue just getting the kitchen clean and ready. And so I was just very happy to see that he was taking that initiative. That made me very happy. And also him taking the initiative is going to motivate Zoe to take that initiative as well. So we are working on having beautiful spaces as a family. that's one of my focus area for 2023, to have clean, beautiful space in our home, to organize, to have things nicely organized, to have our space tidy. I'm working with Isaac for him to put his toys and things back where they belong when he's done using them. I can tell that Zoe has a natural inclination on putting things back. She's really good at it. Isaac, you've noticed as well, right?
Nope, I never seen her doing that.
You've never seen her? You've seen her all the time.
I never had seen her doing that.
Isaac is saying that he's never seen her doing that, but pay more attention then, all right? Because she's been doing it. So she has a natural inclination to put things back, and I really like that. Okay, so here we are almost done with the kitchen. Again, Isaac helped me so much. He was putting things back. He was organizing things. He was just being very proactive, asking me, Mommy, where does this go? Where does that go? Where does this go? Where does that go? And just helping me to put things back. So, and he was having a fun time with Zoe as well. And I think they were like wrestling there to get in the little stool. Zoe was trying to get on it with him. So yes, they were just having a great time while we were all getting the kitchen ready. I cannot take credit for myself because I had help from this amazing team, from my kids. So here is the kitchen completely, well, not completely, but here is the kitchen done. It is done. It's not perfect, but it is done. And we are happy with the end result. For now, we might continue to see where other things can go as to not keep clutter. But yes, we are very happy with the end result. And so that's it for now. This was us getting our kitchen clean and organized. It's not perfect, but it's done. We got it done. We are happy with the result, and we look forward to continue creating more memories, getting our house clean and tidy and organized as a family. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. God bless you.
Until next time. Bye.